Good morning everyone. Myself Ami Parmar, coordinator of KG section. Today we have arranged virtual exhibition for all the students. The theme of our exhibition is Know Your Land, Glorious Gujarat. The aim of our exhibition is to make aware our students about our state Gujarat, its culture, tradition, famous places, monuments, food, famous personalities, clothes, festival, temples, art and craft, etc. The project of this exhibition have been prepared by KG section students with the help of their parents and teachers of their respective classes. Now I would like to introduce your child's lovely teacher, junior KG teacher, Darshana Prajapati ma'am, class teacher of junior KG A. Her class students have given the information regarding various festivals of Gujarat by making models and charts. Mona Parmar ma'am, class teacher of junior KG B. Her class students have given the information regarding famous clothes of Gujarat by making models and charts. Krupa Pandya ma'am is a class teacher of junior KG C. Her class students have given the information regarding famous monuments of Gujarat by making models and charts. Kachya Dippal ma'am, class teacher of junior KG D. Her class students have given the information regarding famous temples of Gujarat by making models and charts. Now I would like to hand over mic to Krupa Pandya ma'am, the class teacher of junior KG C, and she will introduce her project about famous monuments of Gujarat and speeches and charts also.
How are you? Myself Krupa Pandya and I am class teacher of junior KG C. Today my theme is Gujarat famous monuments. Okay? Welcome to Gujarat tourism. Now welcome our Gujarat tourism. Our first project is Kirti Toran. Kirti Toran project is made by Ansvi Yadav. Kirti Toran is located in Vadnagar. It's situated bank of Pond, Sarmista. It's a 12th century architecture module and it's 40 feet tall. Now Ansvi Yadav speak something about this project. Wait.
My name is Ansvi Yadav. My school name is Charotar English Medium School. I study in junior KG C. This is my project. Kirti Toran, Vadnagar. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Now our second project is Mohabbat Ka Maqbara. Mohabbat Ka Maqbara project is made by Aditya C. Waghela. Okay, Mohabbat Ka Maqbara is located in Junagadh and it's built of Junagadh Nawab. And Aditya C. Waghela speak about something this project.
My name is Aditya Waghela. Charotar English Medium School. Junior KG C. Mohabbat Maqbara. Ahmad Khan. Mini Taj Mahal of Gujarat.
Built
by Muhammad Khan. Junagadh. Thank you.
Now our third project is Chatedi. Chatedi project is made by Dhyani Patel. Chatedi is located in a Kutch. Kutch is very beautiful place in our Gujarat and this is a very historical place, very famous historical place in Gujarat. Now Dhyani something speak about this project.
Hello, good morning. My name is Jani Kalpeshbhai Patel. I study in junior KG. My school name is Charotar English Medium School. My project name is.
Now our fourth project is made by Panchal Rajvi, Julta Minara, Ahmedabad. Julta Minara is located in Ahmedabad, Satar Bazar. This is very famous historical place in middle of city, Ahmedabad. Now, Panchal Rajvi say something about this project.
My school name is Charlotte English Medium School. Junior KG.
Now our fifth project is made by Ruhi and Rudra. It's about Dholavira. Dholavira is located in Kutch. It's one of the fifth largest Harappan civilization.
जूनियर केजी में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरे क्लास टीचर का नाम रूपा मैडम है। मैं आपको धौलावीरा के बारे में दिखाऊंगा। धौलावीरा कच्छ जिले में।
These both projects done by C.Y. Patel. First is Sarkhes Rosa. Sarkhes Rosa is located in western south of Ahmedabad. This complex is resting place of Ahmad Shah. Now second is Vijay Vilas Palace. Is located in Kutch. This palace is the famous one-time summer place of Maharao Jadeja.
Why? Dwal Kumar Patel. My class teacher name is Rupa Madam. Our school name is English Medium. Charlotte English Medium School. Visit Kumar. This is Vijay Palace. Vijay Vilas Palace. This is the Sarkhes Road.
Next project is done by Jainis Rawat. One is Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Second is Madhvi Gate. Lakshmi Vilas Palace is situated in Vadodara city. This Lakshmi Vilas Palace built by Gayakwad family. Now second is Madhvi Gate. Madhvi Gate is oldest gate in Baroda city.
Jinish Lavan. My school name is Jalodhar English Medium School in Junior KG. This is my project. Manvij Gate Baroda, Lakshmi Palace Baroda. Thank you.
Next chart is made by Swansea. This project is Sun Temple. Sun Temple is located in Modhera. This is a very famous historical temple in our Gujarat. The Sun Temple is an outstanding example of India's ancient and unique craftsmanship. Next chart is made by Chauhan Naqs. Chauhan Naqs made two projects. One is Sabarmati Ashram, second is Lothal. First is Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram is situated in bank of river of Sabarmati, Ahmedabad. This is a very famous museum for Mahatma Gandhi. Now second is Lothal. Lothal is one of the wonders of Gujarat, seven wonders of Gujarat, and a very old eastern city of Indus Valley civilization. Next chart, Adalaj Ki Vav made by Arya, Patel Arya. Adalaj Ki Vav is located in Ahmedabad. It's a very beautiful vav in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar.
My name is Aditya Patel. My school name is Charlotte English Medium School. I study Junior KG. Adalaj Ki Vav.
Next project is made by Naqs. This project is Vijay Vilas Palace. Vijay Vilas Palace is very beautiful monument in Kutch.